Hi, today I'm going to show you Down on the Corner by CCR, otherwise known as Credence Clearwater Revival. This is a tune and tab lesson, so I'm going to play it, and if you need to do it slower, you can use the settings button to stop or play it slower anytime you like. I'm tuned to G, G, D in the middle, high G. So I'm going to play the intro for you, and then I'll strum through a verse and strum through a chorus. Here's the intro. And the intro is the same as the solos, by the way. Now I'm going to strum through a verse. I'm going to do this one finger. I'm going to use a C chord, a G chord, and an F chord. There are other places to play F, like here. You can also play G here. Now for the chorus, you start on F and the chords change a little quicker. And that's all you need to do. And sometimes it doubles up on the chorus. The tab will be posted at the end for a screenshot. Have a great day.